So I'm going to put this brioche project back on my needles and have a look. You see, I have, actually it's knitted in 2 layers. Alright, so first time I knit with this gray color, and then the second time I work this color, the purple one. So I work 2 rows at a time. So if I want to pick them up and pick them up correctly, I will just, you see, I pick up the first one, which is just a plain knit, and then I go to the behind one, and now I have to pick up this knit stitch and the yarn over above it. So actually I want to pick them up from back to front in order for them to sit properly on my needle. And also here, I pick the back one from back to front. Continue picking up, so this time it's 2 strands from back to front. And sometimes because we do it like this, they might kind of crumple back and then you lose the stitch. So you can also pick them up in the other way, but then you have to know that they're not sitting on the correct way on your needles. So when I pick it up like this, it's kind of easier. See, here I'm from the back instead of from the front. It's kind of easier. But just keep in mind that you'll have to pick it up later. You can actually avoid the situation if you just insert a lifeline, and I'm just gonna put a link up here in the right corner for how to insert a lifeline and what exactly it is, and then this whole thing just doesn't happen. So have a look. And for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you how to put them back on the needles on the correct way. So this is a slip stitch, just a plain one, because you see, right here, the front leg is on the right side. That's what I want. So here I twist it over like this. You see how I am actually going from front to back and slipping them the opposite way. And this one is the right one, so I'm just gonna slip it properly. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other brioche fixes and projects. See ya!